Hey everybody, we're gonna do an unboxing of the From the Mines. And I'm so excited. There's some cool new stuff in here. So we'll see what we got. Trooper's excited too. Come on, baby. Said I wanted to do this, and I've never recorded myself opening all this stuff, but that's exciting. Like, sometimes I completely forget what I ordered. So, oh, I know what these ones are. I do remember this. I got, ooh. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I'm keeping one of these and I'm selling the other one. So let me know. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Woo! Look at that beautiful rose quartz. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's one. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here comes the other one. It's awesome. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Woo. Okay. Oh, look at it. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. So one of these will be for sale. So pretty. Oh my gosh. That one's more pink. Like it's more, this one's more peachy. That one's more pinky. Oh my gosh. They're both so beautiful. Now I want them both. Because they're different from one another. They're so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's do the next box. This is where all the other stuff is. Alright. He gets excited when I'm excited, I guess. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, start with this guy. Giveaway winner! Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, I won! Shut up! Okay, so what did I win? Oh my gosh, Chris, thank you! I can't wait to see what I won! Shut up, you're kidding me. What did I win? Oh my gosh. That's crazy. That's so awesome. Okay. Did I win the tower? Ah! I got the tower! It's a moss agate tower. It's beautiful. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Chris. Oh my gosh. Thank you From the Mines. Ah! That's so cool. Thank you. Okay, we'll keep going. Let's see. What else did I get? Oh, I got my copper nugget. And, ooh, I don't remember. I don't remember, but I'll put them here and keep going. Oh my goodness. I hope you got all that. I hope I can, like you can see everything, because that is so cool. Okay, I got, let's see, some kid bracelets. That's right, I got kid size bracelets. That's so cool. I can smell it. I can smell it right away. So it's almost like mint. That's awesome. Palo Santo bracelets. Got some rough stuff here. Gotta go through all of that. Okay. Oh, this must be my 3 diamonds. Awesome. And my Moldavite. Yes, if you're looking for Moldavite, right here. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. So excited. Oh, so cool. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put the little guys over here. So I can, oh my gosh, that Palo Santo. Wow, it's like refreshing. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. Okay. Gosh, I hope you can see everything. I think you can. Okay, let's keep going. This one, oh, cool. All right, so I got some rough Larimar. Some rough, I think this is Aquamarine. What is that guy? Some cabs. Oh, copper. I got my pieces of copper. And this wasn't on the sale, but I asked for some ocean jasper, so I got a few of those. Nice. And the Fordite, and it looks like mother of pearl. Yeah, and some Ruby Zoe. Nice. Okay, we'll keep going. Oh, my beads. I got a lot of beads this time. Like chip beads. So I have like amethyst beads, obsidian beads, more amethyst. Let's see, what else did I get? The lapis beads. I think this is, oh, the Kambaba beads. I've been wanting these so badly. It's awesome. And then some chip beads. So I got lapis chip, rose quartz, oh, peridot, oh, sweet. Peridot chip chokers. I'm so excited for these. I'm keeping one for sure. Got that. Let's see what else here. Okay. Ooh, some more of that same material. This is so pretty. It's like lavender. I think it's fluorite. I think it's pieces of fluorite. Because it's not quite dark enough or crystallized enough to be amethyst. It's more rounded. I'll do a close-up of it in a second. Do you smell that? It always smells the Palo Santo. I got some rough moonstone. So I can make some cabs with the rainbow moonstone. I got, this is always so fun to clean up afterwards. Ooh, yeah, more fluorite. Oh, so pretty. This has got the green in it, this one. That one's really pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, my peacock stone. What? It's so pretty. I love it. It's gorgeous. It's like blue and purple. Yeah. My sphere. This is a pyrite sphere. Now, my story on the pyrite sphere is I got ordered one from before and it was so awesome and I ended up selling it and then I regretted it because they're so cool. So I don't know if you can see what's going on in the pyrite sphere, but it's got all these really cool indentations. So pretty. So I'm keeping this one. This one's for me. I was like, I'm not selling this one this time. So pretty. All right. I wish I could make spheres. One day I'll make spheres. All right, and then, ooh, this is clickety clacking. Oh, I think these are my eggs. Oh yeah, they're my eggs. They're so pretty. Okay, you guys, Easter decorations. Look at this. Rose quartz egg, labradorite egg, clear quartz egg, I have one other kind too. I have a fire quartz egg and it's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So I've got little eggs for Easter. I'm gonna be selling them. I'm gonna keep a couple of them, but I'm gonna sell them at the market this weekend. And then all the hearts. So then I got a 20 heart lot. So it's a mixture of the hearts, so there's a lot of different ones. Looks like I got this really cool flower agate. This is so pretty. And man, I got a variety. I got a jade one, yay! Oh, this one's so pretty. It looks like Sonoran Sunset. It's so pretty. Okay, I got some more rose quartz in here. And some rhodonite, looks like, little mini rhodonites. So, awesome. Okay. This here. I always like make a little mountain of my scraps because this is Callie's favorite part. She's outside right now, but when she comes in, she's gonna wanna play in it, and I always let her do that. Look at this chrysoprase. Ah! Gorgeous. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty, and this is botryoidal. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Gotta make some cabs out of that chrysoprase. Gonna make some cabs. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Okay. And then I got rough ocean jasper. I'm excited to look through this and see what patterns and orbs I can find. I ordered 2 of those so I can make some cabs with it. Then this is this is the labradorite, rough labradorite. I make cabs with this all the time. I have a few that are ready and will be in the next sale. So this is probably the ocean jasper again. Yep. More ocean jasper, and I see some purpley stuff in there, so that's gonna be cool. And then I got amethyst tumbles and ooh, it's some sort of chip. I can't remember if it's kyanite. It's probably kyanite chip, but it is blue and it is really pretty. Oh, it's looking like kyanite. So there's my unboxing from the mines. Again, thank you, Chris, and from the mines for my awesome giveaway. So cool. And I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching.